Hello, my name is Sarah Webster. I am currently teaching 8th grade science and I am the STEAM coordinator for St. Paul American School in Hanoi. I've been teaching for over 10 years in various grades 6 through 12 science, and now also with the STEAM coordinator position role, I co-teach and help plan for grades pre-K through 5. I do have my bachelor's degree in environmental science and biology, and I also have my master's degree in teaching grades 7 through 12 science. I have been really excited the past 2 years to take on this role as STEAM coordinator, as I've been able to run PD at my school and integrate the next generation science standards for grades K through 5. I am also an online instructor and mentor, and that role and position allows me to mentor teachers from across the world in obtaining their teaching certificate through the Teach Now Graduate School of Education. This program also allows me to work with teachers continuously and allows me to have professional development all of the time as I'm teaching and learning from others. My strengths include being someone who really likes to collaborate with other teachers. I like to make sure that teachers have a say in how they plan their science curriculum, so I'm always going into other classrooms and getting ideas from other teachers and talking with other teachers a lot. I also am very hardworking, and I make sure that I plan my lessons and my activities for my students with various types of learning styles and different differentiation for all of my students. The past 2 years has really allowed me to focus on my ELL students and the support and strategies I can use to support them. I would be really excited to start a new position this June or July or August or September, anytime for the new 2020-2021 school year. Some extracurricular activities that I have been involved in include environmental science clubs, gardening clubs. I recently have advised for the past 2 years what is called a GIN club. This is a group of students that do service learning projects in places all over the world, and they can meet and join up and have conferences on that. And I also have been an advisor for different grade levels as well. Thank you for your time. I really look forward to meeting you. I would be interested in any science position, grades 6 through 12, in any instructional coach or STEAM coordinator position, K through 12. Thank you so much. Have a great day.